Okay, so friends, we are going to do activities today that you can do on your own without needing mom or dad to help, since we're talking about doing things all by myself. So the first thing we're going to do is a math activity. It's about measuring. You can measure things in different ways. You can measure how tall something is, how wide something is, or how long. So today I found a few things and I'm going to use objects to measure them. So today for measuring, I chose to use blocks. You might have Legos, you might have paper clips, you might have something else that you want to choose to measure things with, but today I'm going to measure things by using blocks. For example, I'll show you the first thing I'm going to measure. I have a plant here. I'm going to see how many blocks this plant is tall, okay? How many blocks do you think it's going to be? Here's one block. Do you think it'll be more than that? Yeah, it's more than that. Let's see, we have 1, 2 blocks. You got to keep count. 3. Let's see, 4. Is that all the way there yet? Not yet. 5 blocks. Still not there. 6 blocks. Almost. 7. Not quite, because we still have another leaf up there. 8. Oh, that's just right. So this plant is 8 blocks high. If you want to, you can get a piece of paper and write down each thing that you're measuring too, and you could write plant and then write 8 next to it if you wanted to. So that's the first thing we're measuring. Then we're going to do a dinosaur. How many blocks tall do you think the dinosaur will be? June, do you want to come help me with this? No? Okay. All right, let's see. Here's 1 block. Nope, not quite. 2 blocks. Ooh, he's taller than 2 blocks. Let's see, we'll add a 3rd block. 3 blocks. Ooh, he's still a little bit taller than the 3 blocks. But he's shorter than 4 blocks. So, he's not quite as tall as 4 blocks, but he's taller than 3. For right now, I'm going to say that he's 3 blocks tall because he's closer to 3 than 4. But you could choose what you want. If you find something that doesn't measure exactly the way you want it to, maybe you want to use something else to measure it. Like I could use something else to measure the dinosaur. You could also measure how long he is. So I could measure him this way. Instead of measuring how tall he is, I could see how long he is. He's 1, 2, 3, whoops, 4, 5. Ooh, that looks just about right. He's 6 blocks long if you measure his whole body from the tip of his tail to the tip of his nose. 6 blocks long. So, you can choose to use whatever you want to measure things. Like I said, you could use Legos or blocks, paper clips, clothespins, anything you can find. We'll measure one more thing, okay? This is the book we read today. I'm going to measure how tall this book is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 7 blocks tall. And let's see how wide it is. Do you think it'll be the same amount wide as it is tall? What do you think, June?
I don't know, but...
All right, hang on. You can ask me after I'm done with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it is 7 blocks wide and 7 blocks tall. That's because it's a square, so it's the same amount wide as it is tall. So if you want, friends, you can get some paper and write down the things that you measured and how tall or how long or how wide they are. Or you can just do it for fun. And you can use whatever you want to measure with. So find something in your house that you want to use to measure with. You could use a jump rope. You could use blocks, like I said. Get creative. Use crayons. Anything you want. All right, I'll see you guys later.